fine. Like it has started now. Now it started boiling, right?
Yes.
For tea, water should not go beyond 90 degrees.
I've already taken the Darjeeling logo and word permission from T-Board.
Hi guys, so today we are at a very special place at New Alipur. Now this place is called Queen of Hills Luxury Teas. So the place specializes in different types of Darjeeling tea. It's an out and out tea place where you'll get only tea and nothing else. If you are a tea connoisseur, if you're a fan of Darjeeling tea, if you crave for it in Kolkata, this is your out and out place where you're going to find everything which comes under the sun. Different types of teas for different occasions. Perfect weather since it's winters. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly get inside. Okay, so we have Shantanu here today with us, and Shantanu is the owner of this lovely new concept. It's called the Queen of Hills. Shantanu, would you like to tell us a little bit about this?
Basically, we are serving pure Darjeeling tea.
Okay.
And all of our teas are not blended at all.
Okay.
I mean, we source from Darjeeling. Directly, we pack it in our own brand.
All right.
And this is, you can be rest assured, this is 100% pure Darjeeling tea without any
Absolutely.
mixing, without anything.
Your packaging, so this is very unique and very catchy. And something which, because normally whenever we hear Darjeeling tea, we think about those same boring way of packaging stuff. So I think what you've done is you've innovated.
What happens usually, I mean, keeping the tea in a proper way also a big hard. Like if you are taking in a summer way and you are putting in your own container, might be it not stay because you have to keep it properly.
Absolutely.
So in this case, inside this you are having a sealed aluminum foil also.
Oh wow. Okay.
So
could you just show us what it looks like from inside?
inside this,
Alright. This is what these
inside
tins
this
contain.
container.
So all of these tins you're going to find an aluminum foil which he's mentioned. And this is how it is.
This is the basically, I mean, this is also a airtight. Like,
Okay. It's an airtight container.
Yeah, just assured like, yeah, you can keep your tea for a long time.
For I hear it's for 1.5 years, right? 18 months.
Yeah, 18 months. It's expiring generally. So that again, if you keep the container intact, so after opening you cannot expect for 18 months. This is the first flush.
Okay.
This is
We're going to be trying out two
Yeah.
teas to start off,
Start
and kick
off,
things
right.
off. So we're trying out a Darjeeling first
First
flush, which is this.
This.
Yeah, you can understand with the color, it's very mild, very light. Since
Yeah,
this is
exactly.
the first, I'm told, winter reported.
And no,
Immediately
just-
after winter,
just,
this is
something like from February to May.
Okay.
So this first flush. Then comes the muscatel. Basically, it's the produce of the second flush,
Okay.
but it is having a distinct flavor. Like it's not a second flush, but it's a stronger liquor
Okay.
with a distinct flavor. So you can see the
You can
difference
tell from
between
the color,
darker.
definitely. If you compare these two,
Yeah.
you can definitely tell the difference.
Water should not go beyond 90 degrees. Here you can see. So now everybody might not have this thing in their house. So how you find 90 degrees? Now you can see over here. It just started boiling, right?
Yeah, I can see bubbles.
Yeah. Now we can see the bubbles. So this is something around 80 degrees approximately.
Okay.
So in your pan or whatever kettle you are boiling, so you can find what is 90 degree over here. This is the main criteria for making a good Darjeeling tea. Water should not go beyond 90 degrees.
Alright.
So now you can focus over here and find like it has started now. Now it started boiling, right?
Yes. Yes. I think we're ready.
Now this is a 90 degree is cut off. So that is the 90 degree which you can easily find in your house in a saucepan or whatever. Like
Okay.
You have to follow certain things. That's very easy. No rocket science. the water temperature should not increase more than 90 degrees.
Okay.
It should be within 80 to 90 degrees. And per cup, tea leaf should be 2.5 grams. So now,
2.5.
yeah. So now the thing is, I mean, if I say you, so you will say like, how can I measure in my house? And then again, it's very easy. So basically, this is a teaspoon.
Okay.
So one hip teaspoon is 2.5 grams. What I have taken over here also.
Okay.
Right.
Let's see.
So now you pour it. I am talking about the second flush and all these things. What happened in the case of the first
This
flush?
is okay. This is second flush.
Yeah.
This is first flush.
Yeah, this is muscatel, our product second flush and
Chicken.
What happens in the this thing first flush? Basically, being as this is a premium flush, when the leaf is it's a whole leaf, so you need maybe 2 teaspoons.
Okay.
Basically, the leaf is very light, and you can see it's very light and fluffy. I mean,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
so in
the density is much lesser.
much
compared to-
lesser.
Sure.
So you need 2 hip teaspoons or 1 full tablespoon. So now we are doing in the tasting cup.
Something which will come to you once you make it a couple of
it's
times
very
and keep
easy.
tasting it.
And moreover, we are here also. If
Yeah, they are
someone
always
is
there
interested
to
to know about more about Darjeeling and how to prepare all these things, they can easily drop us a WhatsApp and we'll
Plus,
certainly.
this video is
yeah,
always
yeah,
going to be there,
going
so
to
you
help
can
them.
keep watching it on. Come closer.
Just keep it like this. So this is for 2.5 grams.
Okay.
And all Darjeeling teas should be brewed for 5 minutes. Like I am giving here the 5 minutes time. So you can do it's a
I
very
think it's
easy.
already been around 25
Yeah,
seconds.
seconds.
So we're gonna be-
So it's very easy nowadays. You have a stopwatch, otherwise you have a clocks and you see 5 minutes. It's not a. So now what happens? There's different people's different choice. Like someone will want this little stronger. If someone is want like little lighter,
Mild.
so she or he can start with 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and 5
Okay.
minutes.
So
Then
5
she or he
minutes is
can
like
decide.
the ultimate.
Ultimate.
Ultimate. Okay.
And the main interesting thing is in pure Darjeeling tea, so you should not throw away the leaf. It's a second time infusion. I mean, you can brew it for second time, but you will just get lesser around 10-15% less, something like that.
Okay.
And that's again a distinct flavor.
Okay.
I mean, because after reducing the original flavor, it gives you a new flavor. I mean, you can so basically the price you are paying or you are buying, suppose at 10 rupees, the cost is basically 5 rupees.
Okay.
In pure Darjeeling, again I am repeating this, in pure Darjeeling, and we assure in our product you can go easily, even I do that, I do that. Because I like, sometimes I like the second times infusions flavor also.
I'm just sitting here wondering how excited this entire thing is getting Shantanu. It's very apparent on his face and body gestures that he is very passionate about this particular thing.
It's purely passion.
Because if it was business, I
Yeah.
would see a lot of different things thrown around
Yeah.
here and there. But all that I see over here once you enter, and even before you enter, once you're outside, is that this place is an out and out Darjeeling tea place. So that's very apparent
And
before you even
another
step
thing,
out.
now you can see nowadays there's craze of different type of teas. Suppose flavored teas. So I have not kept anything like that because my boutique is purely based on 100% Darjeeling tea. So
Absolutely.
one CDC I have because many people like even to mix the Darjeeling with the CDC. That's a very common over here. I mean, you will see that putting a little bit of Darjeeling and gives a different flavor. So that's why I just one version I keep it for the CDC.
So I think it's very safe to say that it's considered very sacrilegious if you mix anything with your Darjeeling tea, and he's like one person who would hate something of that sort happening anywhere, at least not in his cafe over here. Are we ready?
Yeah. So you can see the difference between first flush and the muscatel. I mean the product of the second flush. Now you see the difference.
It's easier this way. It's very rich and royal color,
Yeah.
both of them.
To start with this first flush.
First flush, excellent.
We're just tasting now. I mean,
That's
we have to taste a lot variety. So
So no adding anything else.
Nothing.
Why do we have the spoon?
oh, Yeah. No, some people like to add some sugar also, but I don't. I won't prefer.
So do we cheers?
Yeah, cheers.
Shantanu is following social distancing even while doing cheers. That's the first thing which I noticed even before I took the first sip was the sudden the aroma which hit my nose. So that was something which was really a different experience from having a normal tea.
You'll see it won't hit your tongue or something like that. It's very smooth. It's very smooth.
It's got an aftertaste,
Yeah,
very crisp.
and it will last at least 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
That's something we can't afford right now because we have a lot of teas to try. So let's just get
To the
start with the
next to the
one.
second.
Yes.
Muscatel. Now you see basically the difference between the liquor, and even you will get the
The smell is different.
all flushes are different. Okay.
Is this stronger?
Yeah,
It is?
a little stronger, and it is having a distinct flavor. It's just a little musky sort of thing. You can find it's a little musky with a little strong liquor, and it's a musky flavor. In this, it's a much more floral. Yeah, it's much more
Yes,
musky.
this is
Yeah.
definitely stronger.
Strong.
Alright, what are we doing next?
Now, moonlight. You can call it as a white tea. The
White
basic,
tea.
basically, this is a white tea.
Okay.
So, some people call it moonlight, some people call it white tea.
I'm
So this
guessing it's because the color is going to be transparent.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, great.
And with a very strong, very strong floral flavor.
Okay, cool. While you're doing that, let me do this. So this is a green tea, right?
That's a green tea,
Okay.
and that's a very rare green tea. You can see, I told you earlier also. I mean, all leaf you can find over here. It's such crispy. You see,
Very,
like
very.
very.
So we're gonna pour. I think we'll let these brew while we wait. What do you want this place to be like? Is this an extension of your passion? How do you want to interact with people? How do you want people to perceive this place to be as?
Look, basically, I made this place purely out of my passion.
Okay.
So I have not. I could have easily make it a cafe, something like that,
Absolutely.
where people can have food and other beverages also. But I have not thought about, and even now also I am not thinking about. So this is purely a place where Darjeeling tea lovers come, enjoy the tea. They can have the actual Darjeeling tea flavor with the different flushes. Generally, it's a pure one Darjeeling tea. I mean, people are having limited choice for having a different flushes to taste the different flavor or the liquors. Here you can find all the different categories of the flushes. So I want this place to be a place called where people will come and enjoy Darjeeling
their love.
teas. Yeah.
Share their love affair for
Exactly. And
Darjeeling.
thereafter, they can buy even also. The products are there. Even our products are available in Amazon also.
Amazon.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's
Amazon online also there. We do have our own website also.
okay.
So you can.
So what we'll do is we'll share the links of the
Yeah.
Amazon as well as their personal website in the
Exactly.
description below, so you
Yeah.
can take a look. And if you like the stuff, you can definitely order. We would also recommend if you're nearby, it's
Come
always
and-
best
yeah.
to drop by, have
Taste
a little conversation, taste the tea,
Exactly.
then pick the one which you like, and definitely you can just try making these at home as well. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it, and you're gonna enjoy it definitely.
Like this was
Nice.
done.
Don't try this at home.
No, usually we are not trying this with the home also. We are just putting the tea, leaf in the teapot. It's for the tea tasting purpose.
Okay.
So in normal course, we have a teapot, so normal teapots. You put the leaf in the teapot and then cover it for 5 minutes. That's all.
Okay, വിളിച്ച് ഇവിടെ
This thing is purely for tea tasting purpose. Normally you will pour in your cup, you are perfect. You are right, there's nothing to think. Because we are sharing a small cup, so that's why. So this is the
This is moonlight, alright? So moonlighted period taki shade that's very important
moonlight throughout the year you get.
throughout.
But first plus seasons moonlight is the best.
I'm getting a little bit of a honey kind of.
Honey kind of.
Yes,
Yeah.
is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
But this is the natural flavor. Nothing used over, blended or nothing, anything.
Wow, this tastes the best so far. আমার এটা খুব ভালো লেগেছে।
মানে এটা this is something মানে তোমার মনে হবে দিনে 3 4 বার খাই, you will be addicted, মানে এটা
This is
একদম মিষ্টি।
আচ্ছা মিষ্টি বলে আমার পছন্দ হয়েছে তাহলে। কিরকম করে how is it getting the
Yeah,
sweetness?
you feel a little bit sweetness এর ভিতর কিন্তু it's nothing added, না honey না sugar. Normally the tea, white tea or the moonlight এরকম মিষ্টি হয়, it's nature.
Okay. Okay.
Naturally
I
this is
think
something.
before I try, you got some cookies thrown in over here as well. This is basically to change your palate,
Yeah.
right?
What happens when you are having a
too
tea?
many.
And moreover, why we haven't kept any food? Because Darjeeling tea's flavor is very fine. So if you have something flavorful, we won't get the flavor of the tea itself.
Absolutely.
So that's why we have avoided many foods.
I think I'm good to go with the green tea.
Yeah.
This is perfect for my current regime which I'm having.
Oh, you are having green tea now?
No, but I'm being a little more health conscious, as you will know, from this month onwards.
White is much more healthier.
White is? Okay. I hear green tea is very good for weight
Yeah, yeah.
loss. Yeah, this is very strong. Okay, this is green. It smells strong, but when I'm tasting it, it's very diluted compared to the others.
Yeah.
So, how do you explain
Because
this?
green tea don't go under any process.
Okay.
Just তোলা হলো, then dry করে দেওয়া হলো, little bit of washing it from.
Okay.
So এর ভিতর কোনো oxidization processing নেই. This is the natural, you will get a flavor of little bit of wild leaf sort of thing.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Because of, this is, the leaf straightly goes to the drying process.
You said wild leaf.
Yeah, the wild leaf.
But I hope they clean it, right?
Yeah, there is I said initially, there is a cleaning process.
Okay.
ওই ক্লিনটা করার পরেই বাস এটাকে ড্রাইং এ যায়, বাকি সব চা তোমার কম বেশি অক্সিডাইজেশনে যাবে।
Acha.
Green tea এবং straight.
Why is it so popular? I mean, I think last 10 years suddenly this has become the in thing. People.
Because of the depth thing.
So you said moonlight is more healthy, right?
Yeah.
So why doesn't that get so much of
It's very
attention?
expensive. Moonlight.
What is the price difference usually on because we have to talk about the prices.
This is the Canosia collection, right?
Yes.
And this one is our premium range.
Okay.
So you will get most of the product in both the ranges.
ঠিক আছে.
So this is like 525 for 50 grams.
Okay.
And here in premium, this is 450 for 100 grams. One thing I should say, like here, our teas are come, in the Canosia range basically. So you will get this sort of box packing, like.
Okay. So is that the only difference between the two ranges, or is there?
No.
Okay.
There is basically the difference between the product also.
Okay.
If you try our Canosia range and the premium range, you will automatically, like this is the first blush, right?
Okay.
You see the leaf quality. This is the first blush and Canosia collection, right? So when you are going to the premium collection, this is the premium collection first blush. Now you can see the difference between the
It's
leaves.
finer, right?
Yeah.
Much finer. Okay.
And this is the whole leaf.
Okay.
A lovely time, not just shooting but also sipping on to some of the best Darjeeling teas. And who better to explain the entire process than the Kadaso himself, Shantanu. So we're hearing it from the horse's mouth. It was a lovely experience, Shantanu. Chotota tea we enjoyed. Tat theke beshi, I think the conversation was something which we have to take back from here. So thank you so much first of all for having us over, for inviting us over for this wonderful tea session. And we definitely ask our viewers to come visit this place, give it a try first. You do not need to judge something like a tea based on a video which you're watching. I think the entire experience is going to be once you step inside this room and you try the tea for yourself, engage in a little bit of conversation if you're lucky enough to have Shantanu or Arumita, any one of them in the cafe itself, and definitely you guys can experience it by yourself. So yes.
International buyers also.
Wow. So anyone watching this video from outside abroad, from outside India, you too can get a taste of this tea. The process is going to be informed to you all. We'll again update the description of the video if that comes in, and we are going to be attaching that link. So yes, this was us at New Alipur, Queen of Hills, the newest cafe, the Darjeeling Tea. It's a luxury boutique, is what you call it, tea boutique.
Yeah.
So
We
had
call
a
it luxury teas.
luxury tea. So that is us. An amazing experience. Until next time, this is me. Thanks for wrapping up. Cheers.
This started, since my college days. So one of my cousin, he is in Darjeeling, working in a tea garden. So what happens that time, we used to go for holidays at his place. So there, he is in a Darjeeling garden. So suddenly when we are there, so he used to serve this Darjeeling teas in his bungalow. So since then, the flavor of Darjeeling tea I have developed in my acquired in my own. So thereafter, the days gone, I became addicted to the Darjeeling tea. I never tried different tea even. There's lots of teas. I have tasted, but I don't like the other flavors. I always a fan of Darjeeling tea. So then, during this lockdown period,
No, after my marriage, I have.
Yeah, she is also.
Yeah, from last 14 years, I have traveled with him to that brother's place in the Darjeeling garden, and from there our passion have started.
even she is also initially, not liking the Darjeeling tea because being it's very light. In taste, and now.
Now,
She-
I think the taste has developed.
Again, she is now addicted because Darjeeling tea is something like that. If you have it, you won't shift to any other teas because
Absolutely.
it's something different. So then during this lockdown period, I have several times tried Darjeeling tea from here and there and lots of places, even online also. But I never gave the pure Darjeeling tea essence. Might be those are good, everything is fine. But what the flavor I am trying to get, I am not getting that.
Okay.
So then I thought like there may be thousands of people, those who are looking for
Interested
pure
of-
Darjeeling tea,
Yeah.
which is the 100% garden fresh. So during this lockdown period, we are discussing like now we are in a scarcity of pure Darjeeling tea. So that the time when I thought
We
or
started our
started,
research,
I
our-
discussed with her like why won't we start?
Actually, we started our R&D from there. Only that time we started. But in what way passion can be turned into like a business venture?
I am putting the business in a secondary line, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my passion, and there will be thousands
we
of
want
lots,
to- yeah.
lots of people who are looking for good Darjeeling tea. Then why we should not cater to them? So that's the basic idea, and now it's become this tea. All of our teas are purely 100% garden fresh. We just pack in the container. That's all. There is nothing process or anything else. And moreover, we have a
already
certification.
taken, yeah.
We have already taken the permission of the Tea Board of India to
License of
sell
Tea
the
Board of India.
Darjeeling.
We have already taken the Darjeeling logo and word permission from Tea Board.
Alright.
Okay, so we directly take it from Garden Fresh.
So it's the official, you got that official.
Yeah, we
tag.
have that license to serve the Darjeeling.
Fantastic.